Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain JUSTFAB app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick in-app review about JUSTFAB. The JUSTFAB app provides a curated version shopping experience through a VIP subscription. You get early access to exclusive deals, personalized styles pick based on a quiz, and monthly VIP credit to spend on shoes, handbags, and clothing together with accessories. The app features smooth browsing, quick checkout, wish list savings, and a free return on $30 orders. That said, user report occasional problem like VIP pricing doesn't always apply, shipping delay, and difficulty skipping or canceling a monthly fee. Some reviews mention inconsistent sizing and lower quality on certain items. Still, if you are okay with managing the subscription carefully and enjoy trending styles at a low price, the app worth it, though you will need to stay on the top of billing and shipping deals. And that's it.